My name is Saman Nyyab. I am a third-year PhD student in Dr. Pablo Visconti's lab at University of Massachussetts. Our project focuses on testis-specific serine kinases, or TSSKs, and so they're present in both male germ cells and also in mature sperms. So we hope to hopefully study the role of TSSKs in fertilization. I joined Pablo Visconti's lab in the summer of 2019, so it's been about a year. So we first started with just collecting very preliminary data with the protein of our interest, TSSKs, and we found that it shows some promising results in which that it could possibly be a good protein to study for male contraception. And now, which is great, because now after preliminary data, we were able to open up so many doors as to different avenues that we can take. So for example, we can go into RNA sequencing, we can go into signal pathways, we can also go into metabolomic studies with this protein. So we have so much to do and so many exciting new techniques to work on, which is super, super fun. One of the main challenging for specifically male contraception is that there's not many options. There's not many options for male contraception and tons of options for females. So I feel like a lot of times the torch is passed only to the females, but I feel like with family planning, equal contribution to family planning and contraception is great. So if we can open more options for male contraceptions, it'll be great for the female and also for the male as well. I think with the new generation, a lot of it has to do with education and being open-minded. I think that's the way the new generation is going towards, which is great, which is absolutely excellent. So I feel like a lot of it has to do with just being open-minded and education as well, that it's not just the female's responsibility, because the male has an equal part in it as well. For my Neartrend for male contraceptive is to open up more options for male contraception. That I think is really important. For future goals or for future hopes, I hope that men do take it, like it does become a popular thing, and where we have both women and females and men feeling 100% comfortable taking contraceptives if they would like to. Going off of that, I feel like, again, education is the best way to educate people, to educate the public. I feel like just education on this topic is really, really important. Absolutely. And it's going to be beneficial for the future of society.
Perfect.
And any society, not just here in America, of course. This fellowship is super, super important, and it's super, super helpful. It takes off a huge burden for graduate students, in where our main focus is just research. Our main focus is what we are going to school for, which is the science. We focus 100% of our attention to the science, which means that great data and new data can be found, and it's super exciting. So the MCI Fellowship really, really helps the students. It takes up a huge burden, and we're able to focus on what's really important, and that's the science. When I found out that I was accepted for the MCI Fellowship, I was so excited, because my main goal as a graduate student is to learn as many techniques as I can. If it was up to me, I would stay extra years in graduate school just so I can learn all the techniques. So with the MCI Fellowship, I am so excited that I can learn electron microscopy, I can learn mass spectrometry, I can learn RNA sequencing, and so many more techniques, and all these new and advanced techniques that are really accelerating in the science field. And I'm super excited to learn some new techniques, and I think it's going to open so many doors for me once I graduate and I go towards my career. So I'm really, really excited to learn. I would definitely tell them that it's something for everyone to have control of their life, right? So I feel like that's the biggest thing. If you want to have full control of your life, I feel like male contraception provides that. It provides full control of life for the men and for the female, for everyone. And everyone loves to have control of their life. So it's definitely that it helps and supports people having 100% control of their life.